Our planet has the Arctic Ocean and the Southern Ocean, and we know that these amazing regions are critical to the climate of our planet. They're also full of amazing wildlife, and in the Arctic, indigenous peoples as well. Now, over the last 50 years, we've explored their basic geography, and we can now understand the future impacts of our carbon emissions on the great polar ice sheets. Ultimately, we're learning about how the polar regions will affect us, for example, through sea level rise and through changing our weather. Now, mine and many other scientists' research has fed into major television series about the polar regions that are co-produced by the BBC and the Open University, and have been seen by tens of millions of people worldwide. In the Open University, we combine components of our broadcast with real-time data so that our distance learning students can get a really good understanding of basic science and what's going on in the polar regions right now. Join me to hear my thoughts on what will likely happen to the polar oceans over the next 50 years and to take part in this critical debate.